Pliogrip by Valvoline plastic repair products are used for making undetectable repairs on TEO, TPO, PP, ABS, and PUR bumpers and other types of plastic body parts. The following Pliogrip by Valvoline products are required for structural repair of TPO parts. Adhesion Promoter TPS 12-ounce aerosol, stock number 8016. Bumper Reinforcing Mesh, stock number 8022, or Fiberglass Reinforcing Cloth, stock number 8023, which also contains the bumper mesh. Any one of the following plastic repair adhesive products. Plastic Repair 3, 220 milliliters, stock number 8001. Plastic Repair 10, 220 milliliters, stock number 8002. Plastic Panel 3, 400 milliliters, stock number 8033, or Plastic Panel 10, 400 milliliters, stock number 8034, and Finishing Cream, stock number 8003. Refer to product literature for work times, cure times, and paint times. Refer to material data safety sheets before handling Pliogrip by Valvoline repair adhesives to ensure safe use. For this repair, we will use Plastic Repair 3. Repair preparation. Clean the damage area using a prep solvent. Prep the Class A damage area using 36 grit sanding discs on an angle grinder to open up the hole and round off the edges. Round off damage edges with 80 grit sanding discs at low speed. Remove any melting on the surface. Note, V-grooving will cause a bullseye in the repair. Using an 80 grit sanding disc, sand the back side 2 inches larger than the damage area. Blow off with clean, dry air. Note, do not use wax and grease remover after the surface has been sanded. Apply a thin coat of Pliogrip by Valvoline Adhesion Promoter TPS to both sides and allow 10-minute flash. Cut a piece of bumper reinforcing mesh 1 inch larger than the damage area. The bumper reinforcing mesh has a sticky backside. Place on the backside of the repair. Remove the cap of the adhesive cartridge by prying the uppermost slot with a flat screwdriver. Properly place the cartridge into the gun. Prior to attaching the mixer, dispense a small amount of adhesive to ensure both sides flow evenly. Attach mixer and dispense 2 inches of adhesive for proper mixing. Apply a generous amount of plastic repair adhesive on the back side and smooth out. Lay the pre-cut cloth into the adhesive using a spreader, saturating the cloth. Apply another layer of adhesive to the surface of the cloth and spread smooth. Depending on work time, immediately apply adhesive to the front side and level out. Note, if adhesive from backside starts to set up on the outer surface, stop and allow to fully cure. After cured, scuff the adhesive surface with 80 grit sandpaper, blow off, and reapply Adhesion Promoter TPS and plastic repair adhesive to the front side. Allow adhesive to cure per recommendation at room temperature, or heat cure for 4 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Sand and level with 80 grit sandpaper, working from the middle out. After leveling, switch to 180 grit sandpaper and feather edge into the surface. Finish with 220 to 320 grit sandpaper or finer. Wet sanding can be done if desired. If a skim coat is needed, use Pliogrip by Valvoline Finishing Cream. Note, no mixer or adhesion promoter is required. Dispense onto mixing pallet and mix by hand with a spreader. Apply a coat of Pliogrip by Valvoline Finishing Cream and feather out into panel. Allow 10 to 15 minutes to cure at room temperature, or accelerate with heat at 140 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 to 4 minutes. Sand with 180 grit sandpaper and work finer. Prime and paint per paint manufacturer's recommendation.